Alright, hey guys, here we have the 62-inch Casablanca Avalon in chrome with the matching Avalon blades and K4B spotlight kit. Picked this up in a lot of other fans as well. It's a really cool fan. My brass stealth is cool, the Venus is pretty cool, the Saturn's really cool. My Panama in my bedroom, I guess, is kind of cool, but I think this rises above all of them in just coolness level. It's just such an obscure fan. You see these every now and then. You see these kind of blades, but I just think that these are like the best. That's like the best design. I think these are really cool. Malibu Star is pretty cool, but I think it's just absolutely obnoxious, like beyond. I don't even know. It's just so. I can't even see like a use for the Malibu Star, but this is slightly less obnoxious, but in a cool way. And before you say anything, no, this is not a Lady Delta motor, by technicality, and not model number. Model number is different, but essentially it is just a Lady Delta motor. So, anyways, yeah. Let's get on to testing the fan. First off with the light. And with the fan. Let's try something. Not really. Go to medium. Pretty good, breeze on medium. Low is more just for stirring air around. Much like your typical Casablanca low. Medium, you actually do get a breeze from. I think you get more of a breeze with your standard model Casablanca, but this isn't too bad. Let's go to high. It's not super fast, but I think for some with these kind of blades, I think it's pretty fast. I think Hampton Bay actually tried to model with these kind of blades, and it didn't really work out too well. Airflow pattern is much different as well. Alright, let's check it out. And let's do spin. And while I reverse it, reverse is actually a little bit different with these kind of blades. So I figured we could go ahead and do that. Alright. The low is pretty much the same. And I got this fan, the bearings were pretty shot, the flywheel was, as expected, pretty warped. Something I can't figure out is why people would not install a pole chain on the light. I guess they don't expect you to use the fan when the light is on or when you're in the room or whatever. doesn't go very fast. Alright. Pretty quick spin down. The blades are pretty light but kind of wind resistant. Alright, that's tested with 5 blades and I'll be right back. Alright, we are back with the Avalon. Got it in the 5 blade configuration. Preference wise, I don't really know if I have a preference on this. I really don't have a preference between the two. I probably 5 blades, just because I think it looks a little cooler with 5, but I don't know. Probably not a big difference on which one has more motor strength. I'd say probably about equal. Anyways, let's test out the light, just because. Yeah, there's not really too much airflow with 5 blades or 4 blades on low. It just kind of stirs the air around. Medium is the one that really is the air stirring, though there's not really a big difference in RPMs. You can definitely feel it. I think actually low speed would be really good for stirring air around in a big room. On downdrift in like winter. Well, maybe not. I don't want to stick with a typical fan for that because I don't think you really get too much airflow with low. Let's go to high. Pretty cool shot right there, right in the middle. And of course, spin down. Let's actually get a close-up of these blades because they are kind of cool. Pretty wide. Blade arm mechanism. Alright, let's do reverse. For this portion. The actual pivoting portion of like it is completely toast. It doesn't really work anymore, so you have to turn the what do you call it, the little arm or whatever to a certain point so that the hole is on the sides and not on the bottom, and just keep the light just like that. Otherwise they all point straight down. Alright, go to high. Yeah, I wouldn't really recommend running this in high reverse, or actually reverse in general. There's not really any point with these blades, and it drags the motor down even worse. Alright, there is the Casablanca Avalon in chrome. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.